Good morning, first grade friends. I hope you're ready for an awesome day of e-learning. I know that I am. Let's go ahead and start with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Today, friends, in your e-learning, I want to show you a couple of things that you'll want to pay special attention to. The first thing that I want to show you this morning is on your Google slide for e-learning today, you're going to see that you are going to be starting a research project on the one rainforest animal that you selected last week. So again, you are researching one animal, not multiple animals, and it is the animal that you selected on the Google form that I sent you. So today, you're going to start researching using the editable link that I emailed to your family. That is the preferred option for doing that. That way I can see where you're at all the time with your research and I can check in with you as needed. You're going to be using PebbleGo and Britannica School to do that research. The usernames and passwords are down below. And if you want to see videos for how to use PebbleGo and Britannica School, all you need to do is click the little buttons over here. So if I want to watch a video about how to use PebbleGo, I'll just click right here and a video will pull up. If I want to watch a video about Britannica School, then I can also click right there. So this is going to be a big part of your reading and writing this week. Your completed research form is going to be due on Friday. I'm including some times when you can contact me for help. So Tuesday and Thursday, I'm going to have open office times. You can FaceTime me and we can work on the research together. On Wednesday, I'm going to leave a Zoom time open where you can pop in with questions that you have about your research and then pop out once I answer your question, okay? So that's a big part of your e-learning this week. The other thing I want to show you is on your afternoon on the Amazon, I'm including something new. Friends, I love learning new things. I don't know about you, but I love learning new things. Well, this weekend I learned how I could scan some documents and put them in here for you very easily. That will make it really good for those of you that don't have a copy of Magic Tree House Afternoon on the Amazon. So if you do have a copy, hopefully you're following along with me as I read to you, so you can answer those questions. But if you don't have your own copy, I've scanned the pages for each chapter, and I'm including them right below the Read Aloud link. So if you have a printer, it might be good to print those out. That way you can use them to follow along very easily, okay? The last thing that I want to share with you this morning is first grade is going to be doing a project. Wednesday is Earth Day. So Mr. Hegnauer has put together a garbage monster project for first grade. You are going to be using things that are in your trash that you could reuse or that could be reused or recycled, and you're going to be designing a garbage monster with those things, okay? And when you are finished, you will submit a picture of your garbage monster on this Padlet that Mr. Hegnauer has created. This project is due on May the 1st. So you have plenty of time to work on it, and I'll make sure that I'm including some times in your e-learning to do that, okay? All right, my friends, I hope that you have an awesome day of e-learning. As always, reach out to me when you have questions. Click the next slide to do the pledge with Mr. A, and make it a fantastic day.